How can the manufacturing industry leverage digital twins to optimize production, boost efficiency, address data management challenges, and achieve intelligent upgrades? NIO has found the answer with FactVerse by replicating its assembly workshop in the virtual world, enabling real-time monitoring and intelligent optimization. Import CAD and workshop equipment layout data for efficient deployment of the digital twin platform. Connect multiple sources of real-time data, integrating and standardizing industrial data. Utilize intelligent data optimization algorithms for seamless integration between the real and virtual worlds. With FactVerse, NIO has accelerated the digital twin deployment of its assembly workshop. The platform's development and scene building efficiency set industry standards, significantly reducing costs. The platform integrates manufacturing and business system data, creating a virtual-to-real mapping that supports accurate simulation of actual production processes, enhancing monitoring capabilities. It increases production transparency and team collaboration efficiency, while reducing downtime and facilitating timely risk detection and resolution. Moreover, it enables frontline workers to easily adjust assembly line layouts and conduct simulated business drills, optimizing layouts and equipment logic on the go. In the future, the platform will integrate more simulation-based solutions, as well as spatial computing and AI capabilities to enhance training and drills, empowering frontline workers to improve their skills, make fewer mistakes, and boost overall productivity. FactVerse, an industrial metaverse platform, supports various industry standards and protocols for compliance, while driving carbon reduction and supporting green development, helping enterprises achieve ESG goals while empowering frontline workers.